Hi, this is Nancy Grody again. I'm one of the organizers of the Virtual Worlds MOOC, free online multi-open, massively open online course. Not so massive, but anyhow, that takes place in Second Life from August 1st through August 31st of 2018. This is our 5th year doing this. And this is Marcia Sue. She's the learner that we created so that you could see how to create an avatar and go through the social learning process and all that stuff and come over to wherever your class is. At the moment, she's standing outside of the Chilbo Education Resource Center and Educators General Store, which is a freebie store full of information about educational activities around the grid, and also includes educational tools that you might like to use, as well as clothes and avatars and other kinds of stuff. So we're just going to go in and show you how she can shop without having any of the Virtual Worlds currency. You'll see there's some links to other freebie stores that are around. We set this up to include free men avatars and costumes, free men's clothing and accessories, women's avatars and costumes and accessories, and then also some wonderful toys like planes and trains and automobiles, and household and landscaping supplies if that's something you need. So we're going to send her back over here and take a look at some of the things that are available on the avatars and costumes area. Now she has a number of avatars here, medieval princesses and other kinds of things, as well as some nifty toys to play with, like roller skates for women. So we're going to click on that, and you'll see that it's set when you put your hand or your mouse over it. It shows a little hand with a Linden dollar signal, and in the bottom of the menu that comes up it says buy. And so when you see this Linden dollar signal in a freebie store, you know you need to buy that box, but you buy it for nothing because it's free. So it says buy for $0 from Maggie Larimore, and it shows you what you're going to get. So when you click on this, it gives you a dialog box. It gives you a dialog box that shows you that you have paid Maggie Larimore, or whichever vendor it is, 0 lindens for free roller skates, and you say okay. And then you click on this little suitcase, which is your inventory, and you go to recent. That's the easiest thing to do. And you find that what you've done just now is buy all these free roller skates for women. So it gives you, mostly when you get freebie boxes, they'll give you the link back to the freebie place. This one is actually the freebie place where we got the ice skates, and this is the store that you're in at the moment. So let's go ahead and put on the ice skates. So to do that, you want to, whenever you put on shoes of any kind, not all the time, but frequently, if they're old system shoes and not mesh shoes, and you'll find out about that as you go along in a virtual world, you just right click and click add or wear. So we're going to say wear, and we're going to choose a left foot plaid skate and click wear, and a right foot plaid skate and click wear. Now by clicking on wear, it's going to get rid of the other shoes that you were, whatever clothes or shoes of this category that you were already wearing. And later on, you're going to be able to pile stuff on just by using add. So now she'd like to get some blue jeans, I think, because she doesn't really want to walk around in this wonderful dress with roller skates. And you'll notice that the roller skates have a roller skate animation already built in, so that's kind of nifty. Okay, so on this shelf, which is just clothing and accessory, we have to turn around just a little, and I'm using my arrow key to do that. Let's see it. I'm having a little bit of trouble seeing everything here, and what we want to look for are jeans. There's miscellaneous jackets. That's kind of cool. Let's get that. So we're going to right click on this again, and we're going to click on buy, and the contents are going to come up. There they are. These are all traditional type clothing and not mesh clothing. And then we want to see, we got blouses. Let's see, that's bikinis and beach stuff. This must be blouses. Yep, as you hang your mouse over there, it'll tell you what it is. So we're going to click on the blouses. We can actually click on it with a left or with a right click. It's okay. And you click on buy when it comes up. Now it's giving me some blouses, so let's kind of walk along here and see if we can find the blue jeans. Oh, some of these are ball gowns. That's kind of cool. Shirts and sweater skit. That looks good. Let's buy that. This is what happens in a freebie store. You take a look at everything and say, oh, I could use that maybe. Or I could use this maybe. Miscellaneous jackets, miscellaneous pants, it says. I wonder if that's going to have blue jeans. Right click. Let's see. No, black and green pocket pants. That's okay. That sounds kind of good. All right, let's look around and see if we can find some blue jeans. Free skirts. Okay, well we'll just work with what we've got. I don't know. Well, we're just gonna go get dressed. Because how long can we hang out here? This is getting to be a long video. So she's gonna head over to the changing room. And there's two ways to do this. One is a see yourself mirror right here. But you're kind of out in the middle of the store, but you just right click and then sit here from the menu, and it shows you what you look like. And if you hit your page up key, it will take you into several different poses as a way to take a look at the outfit that you're doing. Now you can also go into this changing room, which is quite a bit more private. And you just kind of go in there, and here's another one of these magic mirrors. So right click, left click on sit here. Here we are, and let's take a look at some of the clothes that we've got now. So we've got miscellaneous pants. Let's put on the blue sparkly pants. And we want to wear those. And we may end up having to take off the skirt in order to have those show up pretty well, but we're going to wear those. And then, there they are. They're underneath. Those are kind of nifty. And then we're going to let's take a look and see if there's any other pants that are neat. How about casual light blue pants? That looks navy blue pants. Let's look at light blue pants. We're going to wear those, and that'll replace the sparkly pants. Gotta wait for them to come in. Yeah, let's try these casual ones. We're going to replace the other ones with casual pants with pockets. And then let's take a look at the blouses. Ew, those are green. That's kind of ooky. Let's go back. I don't know if we want green pants. Let's see what the light blue pants look like. Yeah, we like those the best. Now, let's try this one. Sorry, this is taking so long. This is like a ride around. Okay. Now, let's go and take a look at the blouses. We have some lace blouses. Let's see what the lilac guy looks like. So we're going to wear that. And then we're going to go over here and look at worn, because this is all the information that we've got. We've got an animation overrider. We've got her brows and her dress and all this stuff. But we don't actually want the dress anymore on the bottom. So let's see. And we've got the blouses, but they're not showing up. So we have to wait. Now, as you see this empty middle, now we've got our navy blue slacks, and we've got the beginning of the floral blouse. We have this empty middle, and that's called an alpha. That's a mesh. When you have a mesh dress, the alpha goes on to kind of blot out the rest of the body so that everything fits really nice and nothing pokes out. So we're going to take off that as well. So as you can see, what I did is I clicked on things on the body and then just clicked detach. So I right clicked, and then left clicked on detached. And that came off. Another way to do it is, usually what happens is when you put something on, it takes away what was there before in the same category. But when it's traditional sort of original clothing that was made before there were mesh avatars and the possibility of using the mesh method for making stuff, then it doesn't always take things off. So I don't know if I like these slacks as much, but it certainly looks nice with the roller skates. So that's my stuff. Now what you can do is you can close this out, and you can click on this little guy here, and that gives you access to the gallery. And it says Maria, but we want to change this. We're going to go and make this into an outfit. So we go to wearing, and we've got blue slacks, we've got a lilac flower top, we've got our, we don't need the shoe alpha, but we could probably leave it there. It's no big deal. We've got all this information about the hair and everything in our roller skates. So what we want to do is save this as an outfit. So we're going to give it a name. We're going to say floral top and blue slacks and roller skates. And say OK. And that becomes an outfit. Now every time you change your clothes, now Maria put all her Maria stuff back on, so we're going to do that. We're going to replace with the Maria stuff. Not sure why her shoe alpha. We're going to put we're going to add. Let's go down and add everything. So we're adding everything back in the dress and the shoes. Now let's wait until everything changes over, because right now she's wearing everything. So let's check wearing. Okay, so we're going to take this off. We're going to take off the blue slacks. Oops. We're going to take off the roller skate and the other roller skate. And I think everything is good. This is how she looked to begin with. So now this is Maria. So now what we want to do is we want to save this as Maria. So we're just going to save this as Maria. I'm going to call this Maria's first outfit. And then we know this is what she came in as an avatar. And now you've got, when you look at your outfit gallery, although you have to have some linens to be able to take pictures and upload things, you do have a list of outfits now. And what you can do, people love to do this, what you could do, let's get rid of the duplicate. What you can do is as you go along and you put things together, you can call it an outfit, give it an outfit name, and then it's easier to get dressed that way rather than something else. So I'm afraid all of us girls and many other people love to do this because it's easier. So at the moment she can't make photos. You have to have 10 lindens to upload a photo of yourself, but you still have a list of outfits, so that's pretty cool. And I think you can have up to 1,000 outfits this way. So it doesn't take them out of your inventory. If you look at your inventory, you've got miscellaneous blouses and you've got miscellaneous jackets, lots of different possibilities, miscellaneous pants. And there are icons. This is a jacket. This is a blazer. That will be, it looks like a skirt, so it's sort of the bottom part of a blazer. So there's lots of different things here. Camisole, underwear, and so on. And what I like to do is I like to put all of this under clothing. So I'll move by just clicking on and holding it down with my mouse and moving that up. I can move all the stuff that I buy up into a place that makes sense. Here's the skirts and sweaters sets. I can put those up, and the miscellaneous pants, and put those up. You can also find a lot of free stuff online. So that's another way to do it. You can go, when you get back to secondlife.com and you go in with your avatar name and your login, there's a little button at the top that shows you where you can get to the marketplace. So I'll do a little video to show you how to do that and how you can get zero cost clothing and tools and toys and stuff that will be delivered to you in World. So we'll do that in a minute. Now I just want to show you is that one of the nice things about having outfits, you've got a nice well put together inventory here. You click on outfits and you can just right click on the name of an outfit and click replace current outfit, and it will just go right ahead and put those clothes on you. There you are. So that's a nice quick change that you can do. So I hope that helps, and I hope you have fun in the freebie store, and the next video will show you how to get to the freebies on the marketplace. And then after that, we will have another one that will show you about the buttons, how to customize the buttons on your viewer. So see you in a minute. Bye now.